The main purpose of today's video is to announce that my General Studies book in English has been launched on 10th July 2020. Before taking you through the book, let me introduce myself. My name is D.K. Rathi. By profession, I am a mechanical engineer. I had done my M.Tech from Moscow, that is capital of Russia. Thereafter, I came back to India and prepared for civil services at Delhi. After exhausting all my chances, I started my own institute and started teaching and guiding students for general studies in various competitive exams. At the same time, I published my general studies book in Hindi medium, and the 8th edition of that general studies book was launched on 17th June 2020. Let me show you the cover page of that book. My name is written on the top of this page, and my photo, well, this is the photo without the beard, so please do not think that this is the different person. This is the same person. Now I am with the beard and the photo has been without beard, because the photo, why the photo with the beard has not been taken into account, because there is a branding. My earlier edition has this photo, so my publisher said that we will use the same photo, we won't change it. Hence the cost of or the price of this book is 470. Now, what are the main features of my English book? Let me show you English book. This is the one in which everything is written in English. The cover page is same as in the for the 8th edition of Hindi medium. The cover page I have, or we at the publishing house have decided that we will keep the same page cover. My name is written again on the top of the page, and the same photo has been used in this cover, in this backward page also. And the price of this book is 499. Now, what are the main features? The main features are that I have taken the special attention that everything is explained along with the diagram, maps, or with the flow chart. And again, the matter which I thought, or due to my experience while teaching the students and at the same time going through the various competitive exam papers, I had highlighted all the important points which are necessary for a student to memorize. For example, let me take you through it. First is the index. Now you can see there are total of 12 chapters in this book, and the total number of pages are 638. The first chapter is the Constitution. Now, as you can see that everything has been highlighted which is very important for the students. For example, Magna Carta or the Karachi session, when the resolution by the Indian National Congress has been passed, which is important for many features. For example, fundamental rights were incorporated and various other features. Again, the important thing is how the total number of members in the Constituent Assembly were 389. Again, it has been shown. So, or the changes which has taken place recently. For example, in the case of Jammu and Kashmir, Article 370 has been dissolved, or it has been the important features have been added, or some of the features have been excluded. It has all, I have taken this also into account, and it has been shown what are the main changes which has taken place. So you can see on the page 81, these are the changes. Jammu and Kashmir, and I have also shown the diagram whereby the various administrative units of modern day Jammu and Kashmir has been shown. That is Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Aksai Chin, and other portions which are under the occupation of either China or Pakistan. Now, let me take you through the second chapter. That is, second chapter is of history. Now, again in history, what are the main features? As you can see that in the first portion, that is ancient India, when one goes through the Harappan civilization, the student can also go through the visual location of all the settlements. That is on the page 103, you can see that all the important locations have been shown on the diagram. Again on the page 129, as you can see that this is the portion which is basically more confusing. That is, there are so many southern Indian dynasties, North Indian dynasties. At the same time, there have been attack from the foreigners. So through this diagram, I had tried to make it as simple as possible. At the same time, if a student know that where is Badami, where is Kannauj, where is Khajuraho, I think it will be more simplified and it will be easy to memorize. Now the next chapter is geography. Now geography is very important and very easy, but again if it is explained through the diagrams. For example, on the page number 254, that is plate tectonics, there are three type of boundaries. Now how these boundaries work out and what are the main effect of these boundaries,